Some journeys don't just take you to new places, they just take you deeper within yourself. Nestled in the heart of Garhwal Himalayas, at an altitude of 3,680 meters, 12,000 feet, lies the Tungnath, the highest Shiva temple in the world, and a path that whispers ancient stories with every step. Our journey begins in Chopta, often called the mini Switzerland of India, a peaceful hamlet wrapped in pine, deodar, and rhododendron flowers. The air here feels different, lighter, purer, and sacred. The trek of Tungnath is short but steep, around 3.5 kilometers. It tests your breath and patience, but every turn reveals something magical. 12,000 feet, beautiful rhododendron flowers, clouds, and fog all around. The beauty of Uttarakhand, snow, people chanting Har Har Mahadev on top of their lungs, and the happiness witnessing the world's highest Shiv temple, Tungnath. Come along with me as I witness the world's highest Shiv temple and his energy. Good morning, you all. Sorry for my voice, cause you'll know after a little bit. But I could not vlog yesterday much because we were very tired. It was a very long journey. But and almost we reached at 9 or 10 and it was all dark, so it was not at all a point to make a video. But जैसे ही सुबह हुआ, let me tell you where I am at Chopta. How beautiful is this? And from 40 to 42 degrees of heat, we are here at almost 10 degrees. मतलब मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा ठंडी नहीं लग रही, बिकॉज आई एम लविंग दिस. आई एम वेरी मच लविंग दिस. मुंह से भाप निकल रहे. आई विल टेल यू फॉर वॉट वी आर हियर एंड विल टेक यू अलॉन्ग. टिल देन enjoy the view. Like yesterday it was raining a lot, so it is very cloudy, so it is not prominent visual. But look, can you see those barf wale pahad? So we have finally gotten ready and अब धूप भी आ चुकी है और आई एम जस्ट वेयरिंग दिस जूडियो की वॉट स्वेटर सॉर्ट ऑफ. इतनी अभी ठंडी लग नहीं रही है, लेट्स सी की ऊपर जाके लगती है. सो आई एम कैरिंग माई जैकेट. बट अभी तो मौसम बहुत ही प्लेजेंट है. लेट्स गो एंड हैव सम ब्रेकफास्ट. उसके बाद we'll start to trek the Tungnath. When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishful thinking of my life, the vision drifting by. Let's start trekking for Tungnath. If you are coming here for the trek, see, this is where, this is like the starting point, जहाँ आपको टिकट लेनी पड़ेगी या 200 रुपये की. यू हर्ड इट राइट. आपको टिकट लगती है ऊपर जाने के लिए, एंड बच्चों का 100 एंड बड़ों का 200. अभी तक लगता था कि मेरी मेंटल हेल्थ ही ख़राब है, पर पहाड़ों में आकर पता चला कि मेरी फिजिकल हेल्थ की तो बैंड ही बजी हुई है। But to be honest, the view is so beautiful. Like if you take little rests and take small steps, it's going to be okay. But now what I am going to show you all is so surreal that every trek feels worth it. Look at that. So around the trek, this is going to be your first stop. This is Bogyal. It is somewhat plain area, and we're gonna go up there. अरे सूर्य देवता प्लीज अभी मत आओ, थोड़ा रहम करो. We'll stop. But we have come a long way.
साढ़े 10 हुआ, 1 घंटा और समय।
Look at the view. We were just there and it was all visible. But अब गजब की धुएंधार पेड़.
Either you go.
I can see थोड़ी सी बर्फ. We see बर्फ.
अनुपम था ना।
It's almost 300 meters left, I guess. लोग यहाँ पे बता रहे हैं तो भी कम हो गई है. थोड़ा सा एनर्जी गेन करके लेट्स गो.
अभी
Can you see there at least? We can see it. थोड़ा थोड़ा दिख रहा है तो थोड़ा एनर्जी और मोटिवेशन आ रहा है. अब यहाँ से बर्फ थोड़ी थोड़ी दिख रही है. दो द टाइमिंग इज ऑट, सो कोई गारंटी नहीं कि हमें बहुत बर्फ मिले. That is where the mandir is. पूरा फॉग ही फॉग है. फॉग ही फॉग दिख रहा है हमको. We finally did it. पर अब इसको चंद्रशिला भी जाना है.
यस जाना तो था बट
मैं बोल रही हूँ अभी भी चले जाके.
नो चल कोई ना
मैं चले जाती बट सेम ही तो दिखेगा, पूरा फॉग हो रखा है,
ऊपर से और अच्छा दिख सकता है मे बी।
पूरा फॉग हो रखा है दिन।
चल मन करते चले। इधर
हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स फ्रॉम वेयर वी स्टार्टेड। अब जा रहे हैं वापस, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट आधा वापस आ ही चुके हैं, बट वर्थ इट। I mean, it obviously is a little easier to climb down rather than climbing upwards, but your ankle gets a major crack. Your ankles suffer a lot. So try to like take small steps. We have reached to the place, like the first stoppage, and we have reached there. Let me show you the meadows. It is so beautiful. We have come from up there. How beautiful are these everywhere? Are these pink flowers? And it looks so beautiful. हम यहाँ एक लाठी और एक बॉटल लेके नहीं चल पा रहे थे, एंड दीज पीपल ये पूरे पूरे सामान, लोहा, बेड्स, ये सब लेकर टॉप पे जाते हैं। आई मीन इट इज़ अनबिलीवेबल। My camera is not doing even 1% of the justice which I can see from my eyes. ये इतना खूबसूरत है, इतना खूबसूरत। And these flowers, well, I'll search it and we'll put it in the video. It is so beautiful. We have almost reached from where we started. अब ये वापस करना है, and then we'll eat something. पैर की, एंकल की एंड टोस की सबकी बैंड तो बची है दोस्त, बट वी फाइनली डिड इट। लाइक इट वॉज माई फर्स्ट एवर mountain trekking experience like this hard. We'll see if we can do much harder ones also, but till then tell me in the comments how you liked the vlog, and for the last time see the view. Well, I'll meet you in some other video. Till then, that's it for the Tuna trek. Take care. Bye. Next destination. Well, our next destination is going to be Jyotirmat and Oli. These two beautiful cities are a must in Uttarakhand. We'll meet you in the next Jyotirmat Oli vlog. Till then, take care. Bye.